Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to connect hosting a domain to Vercel in 2025. First of all, go to your Vercel project, click the settings icon, then domains, click add or add to project, enter your domain like your domain.com and hit save. Vercel will now show a DNS records and an A record or CNAME. Copy them exactly as shown. Log into your Hostinger account, go to DNS, uh, go to domain section, then DNS editor, zone editor, find your domain and paste the records from Vercel. Save the changes. Back on Vercel, click verify. DNS may take a few minutes to update, then your domain will go live. Done. Your Hostinger domain is now connected to Vercel. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.